Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Elytra in Minecraft. The Elytra is a fantastic item that lets you soar through the skies, making exploration much faster and more exciting. To begin, you'll need to equip the Elytra in your chestplate armor slot. Finding a high vantage point, like a tall mountain or a custom-built tower, is crucial for a good launch. Once airborne, you can use fireworks to extend your flight and gain impressive speed. Let's dive into the details of how to master this incredible item. First, make sure your Elytra is equipped in the chestplate slot of your inventory. Think of it as your personal flight suit. To launch, find a high spot like a cliff edge or a tall structure. Then, simply walk off the edge. As you begin to fall, press the jump key a second time. This action will deploy your Elytra wings, allowing you to start gliding smoothly through the air. Remember, a good launch sets you up for a great flight. Once you're airborne, controlling your flight is intuitive. Use your mouse or joystick to steer your character, guiding your path through the air. Looking upwards will cause you to gain a bit of altitude, while looking downwards will make you descend faster. Be mindful of your surroundings and try to avoid any sudden impacts with terrain or structures. With a little practice, you'll be navigating the skies like a pro in no time. For extended and faster flights, fireworks are your best friend. While gliding, simply hold a firework rocket in your main hand. Then, right-click or use your designated action button to ignite it. This will give you a powerful forward boost, propelling you further and faster across the landscape. You can craft these rockets using gunpowder and paper, allowing for virtually limitless aerial travel. Master this technique for ultimate mobility in your world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.